Okay, this is the phone. All right, the first thing you have to do, you have to take out you have to put it at the heat machine at least for 10 to 15 minutes so that the glue will become weak, so you can take out this back glass. This one is a glass. Okay, after you heat it for a few minutes, you just put the pencil a bit like this. Okay, then you remove it and you use the rubber so you don't break the glass. Just use rubber like this. You open it right down. Don't use the metal because this one is glass, so you don't break it. Okay, just put it inside and make sure you use the heater. Don't force to open it. You have to use heat machine to open it. Okay, then you take out the back cover. Okay, put it one side. There's so many screw back of this phone. You make sure you take out the screws here. Okay, not all the screws you take out. Okay, just make sure you take out the screw from this side. Okay, you open this one. Okay, then you remove this other screw here, only this one. Okay, you don't need to take out this screw down here. Okay, you just open this cover. You take out this cover here. This is the fingerprint cable. Okay, just take out this cover, remove it like this. Okay, put it one side. Okay, then you disconnect the LCD cable. Okay, so you disconnect the battery cable. Okay, then I disconnect the LCD cable. Okay, then now you have to put at the heat machine at least for 10 to 15 minutes so you can take out this glass, then you replace the new one. Okay, after you heat it for 10 to 15 minutes, then I need to open it. Just use the pen set. Okay, it's very hot, but just try to open it. Okay, the skin already cracked, so don't scare to open it, just open it. Okay, it's a bit hard glue, but just open it because this one is already damaged, so you just have to take it out. Just open it anyhow because it's already damaged. You don't need to worry. It's a bit hard, but open it forcefully because you already hit it. Take it out. Okay, now you need to clean all the glue. Make sure you clean all this half glue very nice. Remove all the half glass. Make sure you clean it very nice before you apply the glue and put the new LCD. After you clean everything right around, okay, now it's time to apply the glue. Okay, you don't need to apply the middle side here because the LCD comes with its own glue this side, but if you like, you can put a bit glue inside there. Okay, you just put the glue right around. Don't put on top of the sensor. Okay, don't put on top of the front camera. Okay, just make sure you put it close to them. Okay, don't cover the sensor so the phone will not malfunction, and don't put on top of the front camera so the camera will not become dark. Okay, you just put the glue side there. Make sure you put it right around. Don't put at the middle. If you want to put at the middle, it's up to you. You can still put there. After you apply the glue, okay, now you need to remove this plastic. Be careful when you take it out. Just do it slowly. Okay, you remove the warranty sticker. Make sure it's on top this side. Okay, when you pass the LCD cable here, and make sure you put it very straight before you press the LCD down. Okay, you put it very straight first. Make sure the LCD is very straight like this. Then you pass the cable this side. Okay, Make sure the LCD is very straight. Don't bend it because you fix it only once because the glue is already on the screen. If you bend it, it's very difficult for it to open back. Okay, after you fix it very straight, then you connect the LCD cable here, direct. Okay, you connect the battery. Okay, now you put this cover. Make sure you put it very nice. Okay, make sure you put the cover very nice. Okay, okay, then you fix the fingerprint cable, connect it very nice. Okay, now you need to put all the screws, so many screw back of the phone. Make sure you put all the screw back of the phone. After you place all the screw, okay, now you need to put the glue right round. Don't put on top of the screw. Okay, just put it right on the phone. After you put the glue right on the phone, okay, you just put the cover very straight like this. Don't bend it. Okay, then you put this rubber. If you don't have the rubber, you can still just let it go if you have it, at least for 30 minutes. So the glue become dry, then you take it out. Okay. Okay, now you on the phone and test the LCD, see if the LCD is okay. Okay, the phone is on, the LCD is okay, that means it's okay.
Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.